everyone, my name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this fiery look. It is a fire elements look from the Zodiacs. I was thinking of doing a Zodiac series, but I did not want to do it out of the 12 out of the 31 days of Halloween, so I decided to do the elements of the Zodiac signs, and this is what I came up with. I will be putting up here my inspiration so you guys can check her out. She is absolutely amazing. I don't remember what her name is right now, but I will post it up. Now, without further ado, my craziness, let's get into the video. Hello beauties, so today we are using P. Louise base in Rumor 2 to set the eyes. Going in with the Zodiac brush. I forgot what brush number it is, but I'll list it down below. Then I go in with Cosmic Rays, then setting the top, and then going in again with Cosmic Rays. It is like this bright yellow shade. Now I'm going in with Juicy, which is a little bit more orange toned, and we will be going in with that over and over. And now we are going in with Solar Blast and then Beachside Baby, which are orange. Now we're going in with Max Fashion Legacy to make the fire shape, and I love how I have that little tag at the end. This is the fiery of the fire. So I decided to do a little close up, and I did not want to chop and close up all the rest, so I ended up just doing it straight through. This is a lot harder than it looks. If you thought it looked easy, it is not easy, and it still didn't come out exactly the way I wanted it, but you know, at least I got to do it kind of good. You know, I'm not quite sure, but let me know. Do you guys actually like how it came out? Yes or no? So I'm there fixing it a little bit, you know, fixing up the edges, all that good stuff. Making sure it all looks all nice and neat, even though it still looks a little crazy, but first time for everything. We have to appreciate everything, even when it looks a little crazy. Me looking like a crazy person. Okay, now my face, and now we're using Smashbox. So I forgot what this color is called, but I will list it down below. It is this beautiful gloss by Smashbox. I've had these for I don't even know how long, and I actually like them because it's nice just over top without liner, or you can also add in a liner if you would like it, if you want so, but I thought it looks so gorgeous just over top like that. Mwah. Okay, now it's time to fix up the rest. So I put a little bit of this liner. It's actually a lip liner. And then again going in with some eyeshadow because you cannot not do the lower lash line. And there you have it. So this is the end result of my little Zodiac fire. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button if you did. Comment down below your thoughts. If you guys want me to do a Zodiac series, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to our channel. Yes, it's not only my channel, it's our channel. And subscribe, join our little family, and come along for the ride. I love you guys. Bye.